morning. I am in the same outfit that I had on the other day, guys, because this is all I had in my bag. Do not judge me. I still smell good. Do not get it twisted, okay? But I am doing the same workout that I tried to do the other day because that day I was not feeling well. I was feeling sick. I was feeling a little nauseous. So I did my workout on the ground and I barely did it. Like, I didn't finish it. I only did 3 different exercises when normally I do 9 exercises. I do 3 different chest exercises, 3 different tricep exercises, and 3 different shoulder exercises. And I do 3 sets of each of those, right? So I didn't do nowhere near half of my workout that day, hence why I have on the same outfit, because it did not get sweaty or nothing. So I'm doing it again today. I'm gonna definitely go ahead and pull through and do the whole sets and get it all out the way for you. I am not mic'd up, but I did want to start micing up. What do you guys think about me micing up while I'm working out? You're gonna hear me breathing and stuff. I don't know if that's gonna be weird. We're gonna try it one time and see what happens. But someone also asked in the comments, for what purpose am I recording this for? And I'm gonna say it for you again, because I say it in every video, but I'm gonna say it because maybe you was in the back and you didn't hear me. What I said, the reason that I do this is because it motivates people. I hope. That is my goal. And the reason why I'm thinking maybe it motivates people is because it absolutely motivated me when I was kind of bedridden for months and in the bed for over a year for no reason, just gaining weight and eating and stuff like that. It literally motivated me watching a lady on YouTube exercise. Like, it's a couple of them, but one of them, she was exercising with a girl that was probably 450, and she sat in a chair and did it. I could get up, but it hurt to do anything, and it was hard to breathe. So I started out in the bed, just pumping my fist as this lady was doing whatever she was doing, and eventually I'm here now. So I'm hoping that it motivates people to get up and move around more. Okay, so hopefully that helps you understand a little bit better why people do what they do, and you do what you do. All right, guys? So again, my goal is to motivate you to move around. I'm hoping today that you can get up and at least get 10 minutes in of exercising and moving around, or whatever you do. Like I said, even just for 10 minutes, it does not matter. Even if you're at your desk at work, you could do lateral raises at work. You know, you could do arm circles. You could do anything. These are other things that I also started out doing. But ultimately, I hope you have a positive day. Ultimately, I hope you have a prosperous day. And ultimately, I hope you have a productive day. All right, guys? Bye-bye.
Oh.